Hi artists and welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a quick sketch in pen. I've got a black pen and I've got a blender and I'm working in a very painterly way. I personally find this to be a lot of fun and I hope you do too. Please ask any questions in the comments and I'll get right back to you. Thank you for coming. Let's get right to it.
Starting out, I'm just going to block this in a simple way. I know that a lot of this is going to get covered up with tone. I'm going to spend all my time just thinking about spacing and placing. Keeping that in mind, I'm really going to pay attention to the negative space, particularly this area right here between the legs and the arms. That will really help me judge things. You'll notice also that I spend a lot of time blocking in my edges here. That drawing on the right shows how I think about light. I'm particularly going to focus on the core shadow. That's the soft shadow, in this case, where the light meets the dark, and I'm spending all my time really focusing on that area.
In this next section here, I want to show you some of the anatomy that I think about. Even though in my drawing you see I'm just kind of blocking it in and I'm not necessarily putting in the structure, I do actually think about all of this. So don't be fooled. Even though I'm just kind of putting in my shapes, I'm always thinking about this kind of stuff.
I'm speeding up the video a little bit here, but in reality, I'm actually slowing down a lot. I'm establishing a few things. In this case, I think the star of the show is that arm, and I'm going in and I'm starting to really work that out. Specifically, what I mean by that is I'm going in and I'm starting to adjust those edges. I spent a lot of time talking about that, but that's exactly what I'm doing here. Another thing I'll talk about is, as I'm working, you'll hear me slip up and say painting a lot. I think about drawing and painting pretty much exactly the same way. I've mentioned that in other videos as well, and it's a repeating theme for me. You can draw in a tonal way, it works just fine. I'm really basically painting with ink here. You'll watch me as I'm drawing, and I move off to the side quite a bit. Oftentimes what I'm doing is blotting my marker. If I have my blender and there's too much dark on it, I will sometimes go off to the side of the page and draw a little bit to get some of that dark off if I know I need less of it. The last thing I'll talk about in this quick demo is directional shape with my lines. I'm trying to tie this up, so even in that leg right there, I spend time with my gesture thinking about that direction.
As I wrap up here, I just want to say thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for your support. If you're trying out these tools, they're not working for you, you just have any kind of questions, please put them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Especially at this early stage, not only do I incredibly appreciate your support, but I've got a lot of time right now. I can get back to you in the questions and I certainly want to. Thank you so much for coming. I really do appreciate you being here. Until next time.